Hello guys, I welcome you to Vimes Forges Limited, where we design and build classic homes. So I welcome you to episode 2 on Tyrolean. So the last episode we did an introduction to Tyrolean and why we decided to use Tyrolean on our fencing project here in Abakaliki, Ebonyi State, Nigeria. So this episode we focus more on the materials, the tools that we use for the Tyrolean and how we prepare our walls. Just like I said, it's not just about getting workmen to just apply Tyrolean on your fence. You need a professional to guide, you on how to get it right. Because at the end of this episode, when you see our finished Tyrolean, you understand the advantage of having professionals to get in to do these things for you. Because there are extra measures that we take in to make sure, we get it right. So on the materials, we have the sand, the cement, and the sand. Most times we have a mixture of the plaster sand and the sharp sand, depending on the type of this thing that it gives you. We have the cement. We also apply waterproofing chemicals too, to make sure it protects the wall from dampness. We also apply all those things to make it work and to make it efficient. And also on the tools, there's what we call the machine, the Tyrolean gun. That's actually a manual tool that is used. After the mixture, you apply, you load your mixture into that machine gun. When you roll it, it just gives you that texture that you want. And after applying it, you can now smoothen it the way it should be. So from what you're seeing, you can see how the workers are applying it on the wall. You can see the effect that it gives you. You get that roughness. And another unique thing I forgot to tell you guys about Tyrolean is it converts an ordinary wall. It makes an ordinary wall become an architectural feature. When you look at it, you see the boldness that comes and the uniqueness that comes with Tyrolean. And also on our preparation of the wall, before we even start the Tyrolean, we make sure we prepare the walls. The areas that have markings and cracks, we try as much as possible to open them up. We open these cracks up. We prepare them. We apply all the chemicals that we need to apply. The places that we need netting, we do all that before we can go ahead with our Tyrolean. So because at the end of the day, if you don't, in as much as the Tyrolean is very effective, if you don't prepare the walls, at the end of the day, when you come in, you can still do your minor corrections later. But we want to make sure that we don't come back to this fence after now. So by this preparation, then we'll do our application. Then you see how effective the Tyrolean will be. So guys, thank you very much for staying glued to us. I'm coming back for the last episode where I will be sharing the design that we also adopted, because we don't just apply Tyrolean like that like every other person. We have designs, we initiate designs. So before even now, what we did was to look at our projects, the design that we have on our project. We took some components from the project and created out a design for the fence, so that when you're looking at the fence and the Tyrolean on the wall, you relate it to the building. So that's why it is good to have professionals to do these things. So on this next episode, we'll talk about how we were able to mix these designs and how we got the design and how we even applied it. Thank you very much. I'm Victor Zubinga. God bless you.